Welcome students. Let us see a very interesting as well as important question. This question has been asked by a student that we are providing the solution here. The question is a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding a 2% boric acid solution to it. The given acid concentration is 8%. And this 8% boric acid has to be added with 2% boric acid solution, correct? Then resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6%. Concentration of the resulting solution should be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. If there are 640 liters of the 8% solution, given 640 liters of 8% solution, how many liters of 2% will have to be added? Understood the question? How many liters of 2% solution will have to be added? See the solution. Yeah, first of all, we'll assume that the required number of 2% solution is X, which has to be added to 8% solution of boric acid, so that the resulting solution will have concentration between 4% and 6%. Okay, more than 4% but less than 6%. So between 4 and 6% of the concentration. Okay, so let X liter of 2% boric acid solution will be added to 8% of the solution, correct? So what will be the total amount of the solution? X liter, and given here how much? 640 liters. So total amount of solution will be 640 plus X. 640 liters of 8% is already given, and 640 liters of 8% is already given, and X liter of 2% is being added here. So therefore total volume or amount, you can say, of solution is how much? This is equal to 640 plus X liters, correct? And now the resulting solution should be less than 4%, correct? We can write here that 2% of X plus 8% of 640, this should be greater than 4% of total solution 640 plus X. First case. Similarly, the second case will be also will get concentration should be less than 6%. So second case, 2% of X liter of solution plus 8% of 640 liters of solution. So this should be less than 6% of 640 plus X. So we are getting two cases here because this is the case of inequality. The concentration should be between 4% and 6%. Now let us proceed this case number 1. 2% of X means 2% means by 100 into X plus 8% of 640 means 8 by 100 into 640. This is greater than 4% means 4 by 100 into 640 plus x. Okay, now next step. For simplifying it, let us multiply both the sides by 100 so that this denominator will be cancelled out. So after multiplying both sides by 100, you will get 2x plus 8 into 640, 5120, and in right side 100 will be cancelled out when we multiply both sides by 100. So 4 into 640 means 2560 plus 4x. Let us transpose this 2x to right side and this number to left side, or we are getting here 5120 minus 2560. This is greater than 4x minus 2x. Okay, and 5120 minus 2560 is 2560. This is greater than 2x, or dividing both sides by 2, we are getting 1280 greater than x. That is amount of the solution with 2% concentration, which is x. This should be less than 1280 liter. Correct? Similarly, we can solve this second part also. Your second case is 2% of x. This much part is exactly similar. Only difference is this sign, and here 6%. So similarly, we can write the second part also. This will be 2 by 100 of x plus 8%, means 8 by 100 into 640. This is smaller than 6%, means 6 by 100 into 640 plus x. Okay, so multiplying both sides by 100, this denominator will be cancelled out. So we are getting here 2x plus the same multiplication is here 800 640, that is equal to how much we have got 5120, and this is less than 6 into this much. So 6 into 640 is equal to 6 into 0 0, 6 4 are 24, 6 is 36, and 2 38 plus 6x, or we transpose this 2x to right hand side and this number 3840 to left hand side, or 5120 minus 3840, this is equal to 6x minus 2x, 6x minus 2x, or let us subtract these two numbers. This will be 0, 8, 2, and here 4 minus 1. This is, sorry, this is less than, okay, this is less than, this is less than 4x, or dividing both sides by 4, we'll get 320 is less than x. That is, x is greater than 320 liter. Okay. So with the help of these two inequalities, we are getting the result. So the amount of solution with 2% concentration should be greater than 320 liter but less than 1280 liter. So your answer is X. This is greater than 320 liter and less than 1280 liter. So therefore solution should be between 320 liter to 1280 liter. Correct? So this is the solution. Clear? So whenever we add 320 to between 320 to 1280 2% solution of boric acid, will get the required result. Means concentration of the resulting solution will be more than 4% but less than 6%. So students, I hope you have understood it very well. So as I told you that we are solving this question on the demand of a student who have to appear in an examination tomorrow. So if you also find any difficulty in any chapter, please give the question so that you could get solution. And here, one suggestion from you I would like to have, that whether you want these videos in English or Hindi, some of the students want these videos in Hindi, some of the students in English. So please write in the comment box what is your liking so that you could make in that language only. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.